Assalamu alaikum respected parents and dear students. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn a very important topic in programming and logic. What is condition? And we will also learn about if condition, if else condition and else if condition. Let's get started. What is the condition? What is a condition? A condition is a statement that tells us whether something is true or false. We use conditions to make decisions. Let me give you a simple example. If it is raining, I will take an umbrella. If it is raining, I will take an umbrella. In this sentence, if it is raining is a condition. If it is raining is a condition. If the condition is true, the action will be happen. You will take an umbrella. If it's not raining, you won't. Okay, dear students, now we are going to discuss what is if condition. If condition is used when we want to check something. If it is true, we do a task. If it's false, we do nothing. Okay, example, if you study, you will pass. So if the condition you study is true, then the result is you will pass. Okay, now we are going to discuss if else condition. If else condition. If else means we have two choices. If the condition is true, do something. Okay, if the condition is true, do something else, do something else. Else means do something else. Okay, now we will move on the example. If you study, you will pass. Else, okay, if you study, you will pass. Okay, else condition, you will fail. So if the student studies, they pass. If not, they fail. Okay, next we are going to discuss else if condition. Else if condition. When we want to check more than one condition, we use else if. I am repeating again. When we want to check more than one condition, we use else if. We check condition one by one, and as soon as one is true, we stop there. Okay. We check conditions one by one, and as soon as one is true, we stop there. Okay, now we will move on the next example. If marks are more than 90, grade A. Else if marks are more than 70, grade B. Else if marks are more than 50, grade C. Else statement, fail. We keep checking until one condition is true. Okay, now we are going to discuss short summary. If checks one condition. If statement checks one condition. If else check two conditions. Else if check many conditions. Okay, if the condition is true, statement will be executed. If the condition is false, statement will not.